Herbs are a delicious salt-free seasoning that can be added to dishes to add flavor. Fresh herbs come in two types, sturdy and delicate. Sturdy herbs like rosemary, thyme, oregano, sage, etc. have firmer leaves and stems and do not wilt as easily. These herbs can be added earlier in the cooking process as they take longer to release their flavor and break down. Sturdy herbs should be kept dry when in storage, either in their original container or in a partially open zip-closed bag in the refrigerator. Delicate herbs like basil, parsley, cilantro, dill, and mint have softer leaves and stems and are delicate and wilt easily. These herbs should be added towards the end of the cooking process as they release their flavors more easily and break down quickly. Delicate herbs should be stored in lightly damp paper towels in a partially open zip-closed bag in the refrigerator. Herbs should always be washed before using them. Delicate herbs typically hold more dirt and should be thoroughly washed and patted dry gently with a paper towel. Sturdy herbs just need a quick rinse to remove any grit. Cutting herbs. Herbs are easy to cut using a chop or a mince. To chop, push herbs into a tight pile and pass knife through in a rocking cutting motion, turning pile a quarter turn to ensure an even cut after passing through. To mince, first chop the herbs, then push into a tight pile, and use the non-cutting hand on top of the spine of the knife, pivoting the knife through the herbs in a rocking motion. Freezing herbs. Herbs can be frozen on the stem and stored for several months before usage. Place on a baking sheet in the freezer until the leaves and stems have frozen through. Then transfer to an airtight container or zip-closed bag. Congrats! You're on your way to becoming an herb expert.